Alright, I'm here in Jasper, Florida. This house here was probably built in the 1800s. It was owned by a doctor, and it's been long since abandoned. I'm just gonna give you like a little tour of it. We were actually in CVS thumbing through a book, and we saw the picture of this house in here. But this is kind of strange. This is on their porch. It's a headstone from World War II. But you can tell these people, the owners had a lot of money, because it's all hand carved, and it's just a shame that this building is abandoned. I don't understand why anybody would. I don't know what happened, but I'll take you through the house itself. It's a staircase. Just the detail in the woodwork and everything is incredible. If you look at it. Just about every room in the house here has a fireplace. So but yeah, as I was saying, at CVS there was a history, like a book in there about the local history of this town, and it said the doctor lived in a house that looked like this, and we didn't know this was actually the house that we were going to, and then we were like, wow, that's the house we were just looking at in the book. So, but yeah, here's a old clawfoot style tub in here. Really gotta watch where you step and everything in this house, because it's like I said, it's been abandoned for many years. But this is when houses had personality, that's for sure. As you can see, the floors out here on the porch area, they're completely gone. This is believed to be an old kitchen. There's a sink. That was me. So I don't know what's back through here. I haven't been back here yet. Must have been like a pantry area, I guess. Yeah. Take you guys upstairs real fast. That's the tricky part, is getting upstairs, but it's definitely really neat. Little closet underneath the stairs there. See the detail in the staircase and everything else. Out. They just don't make stuff like this anymore. This is just really beautiful. Well, in its time, it was really beautiful. So, go ahead and venture up here. You gotta be really careful and stay in the middle of the stairs, because as you get up to the top, some of these stairs are not there. So, stay in the middle. Stay in the middle. All right, and check out this staircase. This is just gorgeous. Look at that. See how the wall just kind of curves? It's really neat. Now my friends that were here earlier, they have done investigations here, paranormal investigations, and they've had REM pod activity, seen shadow figures in here. I believe they said they got EVPs in here. So I'm definitely gonna come back later. But it's just a shame that they let this beautiful old house just die slow, painful death like this. I mean, doorknobs and everything. It's really neat. I mean, look at this woodwork here. Now, you know, back in the day, that was all done by hand. So, but he was a doctor. This was the local town doctor. I'll attach the picture that we took out of the book at the pharmacy. And here's the room. This room has a lot of clutter and stuff in it, but it's really sad. There's that beautiful woodwork again. This, you know, it has a pretty tile, and what's left of that right there, it has the tile going around, and up here you can see the hand carved pillar things on the fireplace. It's really neat. And this is cool too, this closet right here, because the wall curves inside the closet. It's pretty neat. And this is another bathroom down this hall here. This is straight down. Been leaking a long, long time. It's a shame to see this house the way it is, because I couldn't imagine. I mean, just imagine what it was like in its glory. I mean, look at the base molding. It's like, it's just gorgeous. That old light up there. I don't know what it is, but it looks kind of like that old like milk glass. It's really pretty. But I'm gonna post this video and the pictures and everything else, and hopefully I'll come back tonight sometime, and when the traffic dies down. This is in the woods, but it's close to a major road, and at nighttime this road does die down to nothing. Like, nobody travels on it, but during the day it's heavily traveled. So right now is not the best time to try to investigate it, but as you can see out the window and everything, it is heavily wooded all the way around the house. So the woods Mother Nature has taken back over control of the house, and it's sad. But alrighty, see if I can make it back down the stairs again. Okay, stairs are so sketchy. Alright, I gotta do something here. Try to do this. Alright, there we go. Back on solid ground. Hopefully, at least. But that was crazy how they have the World War II soldiers. Look at that door. How they have the World War II soldiers headstone just on the porch of the house. It's just, I wish I knew more to the story here, but actually might need to go back and there's a headstone right there. All right. built in the wall. Like, stuff is just really neat. Please don't be any rats or nothing in there. That would suck. But it'd be my luck. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. That's part of the house. That piece right there, that decorative wooden piece. But hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And like I said, I will be back to do a paranormal investigation here. I just wanted to come by and do a walkthrough first, because to see where the danger areas are and everything. But I'm definitely coming back. So take care and thank you for watching. Bye.